Well, we've worked with them in many capacities along with the CareerTech, and it's just a great resource for small businesses. And obviously with the bid assistance and helping us match our capabilities to government spend. They have helped us develop specific training for our team members that help them become more skillful and be able to add more value and bottom line perform better for our customers. To meet our strategic goals, government contracting is an area that we need to and want to participate in. Even if you're a one-person, two-person, 10-person shop, business, there's programs out there within the state and the federal government that can help grow your business. There's a lot of people that care about this state and care about small business.